welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view some more Ipsy spoilers for August of 2020. I'm going to show you the choice items for the Ipsy Ultimate and the Glam Bag because, as you know, we did not get to choose anything for the Plus because choice will open up August 1st through the 3rd for the new Ipsy. If you haven't seen the video that I posted on that, please go check it out, and I would love to hear all of your opinions on the new Ipsy Plus. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, because I am your neighborhood friendly spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you are a viewer, it would literally melt my heart if you guys subscribed. So hit the red button, make me smile, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So starting out with the Glam Bag Ultimate, let's talk about the choice items, which are also spoilers. You could possibly get any of these items in your box. Also, if you haven't checked out my other spoiler video, I will have it linked below. There's a lot of other items there that you aren't going to see in this video. So the first item is actually the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. This is actually a repeat item. I want to say we got this back in like September, October, maybe even August of last year. I have 2 videos on this palette doing looks. I will link them down below. Connor editing this, link them down below, and you guys can go see the looks I created with this in case you actually chose this. It's a very, very dark, grungy palette, but let me tell you, it is so soft and so beautiful. You guys will love this if you chose it, or if you didn't choose this item and you happen to get in your box, don't fret. It might be dark and grungy, but it's the perfect fall palette and it's beautiful, especially that first minty green shade. It is to die for. I don't have the palette anymore, I'm sorry. I got rid of it, but it's a good palette, just so you know. Next up is from Beauty For Real. This is the High Def Mascara in Just Black. Just Black, I can't read. The only thing I don't like about the wand is the fact that it's like itty bitty, like a Tic Tac, kind of like maybe your ex-boyfriend, I don't know. But it looks like the perfect wand to have for when you're wearing fake lashes and you just want to like connect the lashes, or maybe even your lower lashes. That is probably what this is used for, in my personal opinion. So if you picked it, I think you would enjoy, especially if you wear fake lashes a lot like I do, something just to connect them together. Next up, you got the 4Skin. You guys loved that joke in that last video. This is the Cairo ATP Sports Booster. Anything 3Skin, 311 skin, whatever you call it, is amazing. They're literally liquid gold in a bottle. What is it called? Like elixir, like Harry Potter, the little elixir of luck, the luck elixir, and he like, I love that scene in that movie. Anyways, that's what this is. Anything from this brand, always choose it, okay? It's expensive as heck and it's amazing and it really will make your skin phenomenal, just saying. Next up, we have something from Soapbox. This is the Coconut Milk Hair Mist. Now, I don't care anything about hair care, but if it smells like coconut and it's just to spritz in your hair and make you smell coconutty and amazing like summer, I would definitely love to have this in my box because, hello, coconut smells amazing. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to be getting the Ultimate for next month. I will tell you the item that I did pick, but I'm not going to get this box next month only because Ipsy has been playing with me because they lost my Ultimate this month, and it's a whole thing. I think I'm going to make a rant on it because their responses is absolutely ridiculous, and I've never had an experience with Ipsy quite like this where I'm just like, are you like new? I know I made an Ipsy rant video back in October about their Ultimate, their first box. It was a mess. Actually, that got a lot of views. That was insane. I didn't mean for it to, but you guys, Ipsy's playing with me. They got me heated, and it's honestly really stupid. And I even added on $25 worth of add-ons for my friend Noelle, so that's another reason why I'm extra salty, because it's not just about me. I got stuff for my friend, okay? And you're playing with me, Ipsy, so I'm not getting the Ultimate next month, but let's move on to the next spoiler. So this is from Feel. This is a vitamin E balm, and I know I've heard of the brand. I don't know if I've seen it in Ipsy before. I cannot remember, honestly. I do this all the time, so I'm like everything, you know, I just can't remember. But if you picked it, you might like it. I love balms. My favorite is actually what I got in Boxycharm. It's the Sugar Rush, which is the sister brand of Tarte. The Best Bud, it's peony. This is the best lip balm I've ever had in my entire life. I'm just saying, I use it every time before I put lipstick on, and it makes it amazing, which I'm wearing Kristen, the lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics. Love it. Anyways, next item is from Payot Paris. This is the Hydra 24 Plus Cream. So it's just a moisturizer, and yeah. Next is from Complex Culture. This is the Plush Powder Brush. This is a brand of Ipsy's, and you know, I love these brushes, okay? These are amazing brushes. I know some people were salty that like, ew, another Ipsy made product, blah, 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 blah. Guess what, you guys? The brushes are amazing. Just try them, give them a chance. They're aesthetically pretty because it's gray, gold, and then it has like the gray and then the white tip, and this one looks like a little bunny tail. Love it. Trust me, the brushes are good. I wouldn't lie to you guys. And then the other item is the Sunday Riley CEO 15% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This is actually, I want to say, also a choice item for Boxycharm for August. Pretty sure. I didn't choose it. I chose the Ole Hendrickson banana primer or whatever it's called. But yeah, I think this is an item. Pretty sure. Anyways, let's move on. So this is the choices for the Glam Bag, which is the $12 bag. And always remember, Glam Bag, always deluxe samples, sample sizes, the occasional full size if you get lucky. So this first is from Orza. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Orza Beauty Camo Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. So this is just a tiny little quad, but it looks like a beautiful, like, going out at night, summer, dark smoky eye, like bronzy eye, you know, whatever, you can flare it out. This is actually really, really cute, and if you don't have a lot of these shades, I think this would be a really good pick for you. Next up, we have something from Hey Honey, which they follow me on Instagram. That's so exciting. This is the Trick and Treat Lip Balm Watermelon Balm with natural tint. So it's a tinted lip balm, super, super cute. And yeah, I don't really know what to say about it. It's a tinted lip balm. You know the drill. Next up from Allure Beauty, again, probably butchering the name. This is the Jalisco. God, I'm so sorry. Eyes Single in Sombrero, and this is a very gorgeous shade. Now, back when I used to just get the Ipsy Plus years ago, when I first like got it all the way up until like 2019, when I actually like tried to use eyeshadow palettes, I would only use single shadows all over my lid. So if you pick this is something that you would love. And the next one is the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Illuminating Anti-Fatigue Eye Cream. This is actually my choice item. Anything Glam Glow is amazing, so you're gonna love it. And then the next item is the Royal & Lang Nickel Neon Angled Contour Blush Brush. Sorry, I'm trying to rush. My camera battery is about to die. This is actually a really cute brush. I have several of these brushes from this company, and I love the color. Next up, from Lottie London, this is the AM to PM Eyeliner in Sunburst. And this is like a nude color, so it would be great on your waterline. Next, we have It Cosmetics Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep Night Cream, which is another really great product. Love their moisturizer. I use it every day, and their cleanser. Love it. Next is from Barogio Hair Care. This is the Be Gentle, Be Kind Avocado Plus Kiwi Mega Moisture Mask. If you want a mask, here we go. Next up, the Sunday Riley Ice Creamide Moisturizing Cream. I know a lot of you picked this. Oh, wait, I didn't pick that. Sorry. Next item is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I'm pretty sure I picked this. This is the item I picked. Pretty sure. It was that or the Glam Glow, but I'm pretty sure it's this. And then the next one is the Buxom Cosmetics Extrovert Lifting Mascara in